Back tap has long been a super handy feature that's allowed you to activate your favorite actions by just double tapping or triple tapping on the back of your iPhone. But do know that you can use the back tap to enable the vehicle motion cues on your iPhone as well. For those unaware, the vehicle motion cues feature is designed to help you prevent motion sickness. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone, then select Accessibility, and under the Physical and Motor section, select the Touch option. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Back Tap. After that, select Double Tap, and then under the Accessibility section, you have to choose the Vehicle Motion Cues option, and you are all set. Going forward, you can quickly activate the vehicle motion cues on your iPhone by just double tapping on the back of the device. Super handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, do like and share it. I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.